Okay, let's proceed to practice problem number 5. A card is drawn from a standard deck, 52 cards. Let x be equal to 1 if a heart is drawn and x is equal to 0 otherwise. So we're given, draw a card from 52 and x equal to 1 if hearts, so there are 13 hearts, and then the probability of having 1 is equal to 13 over 52, which is 1/4. If they are not hard, then we have 13 times 3, so we have 39. And that is 0. So we have probability of 0 is 39 over 52 is equal to 13 over 50. I know, it's 39 over 52 is 3 over 4. So, when we say 1, that is heart. The probability of having a heart is 1/4 or 13 over 52. So we are required to determine the expected value, the variance, and then the sigma. So our solution, our E, 0 times 3 over 4 plus 1 times 1/4 equal to 0.25. And let's obtain the EX squared. That's equal to 0 times 3 over 4 plus 1 times 1/4 and then equal to 0.25. Our variance then is equal to the square of 0.25, which is so 0.25 minus 0.25 squared is equal to 0.25 minus 0.625, which is equal to 0.1875. Our sigma is the square root of variance. So our square root of 0.1875 is 0.433. And then we have final answer. E is equals to 0.25. Variance is 0.1875. And then 0.33. Our EX squared, when we square 0, it's 0. When we square 1, it is 1. That's why the value of E and the value of EX squared is the same. They are the same, 0.25. And then number 6, a random variable x has the following probability distribution. X is 1, the probability of 1 is 0.1. If x is 2, the probability of 2 is 0.3. And then if x is 3, the probability of 3 is 0.4. And then if x is 4, the probability of x is 0.2. So we are asked to determine the E, the variance, and the sigma. So therefore, to obtain the E, we just simply take the sum of the product of x and px. So we have 1 times 0.1 plus 2 times 0.3 plus 3 times 0.4 plus 4 times 0.2. And our expected value of x is 2.7. Let's now determine the expected value of the square of that random variable, discrete random variable x. and we need to square the value of x. So we have 1 squared times 0.1 plus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 plus 3 squared is 9 times 0.4 plus 4 squared is 16. So 16 times 0.2. And then if you take the sum of the products of those values, we get 8.1. So our variance is ex squared minus e. So we have minus e squared. We have 8.1 minus 2.7 squared is equal to 8.1 minus 7.29 equal to 0.81. And our sigma is the square root of variance, which is 0.81. So the answer is 0.9. Our final answer is E is equal to 2.7, variance is equal to 0.81, our sigma is 0.9. What about the practice problem number 7? So a random variable has x has the following probability distributions. We have 0, 1, 2, and 3 as our random variable. And then the probability of each random variable, we have 0.2, 0.5, 0.2, and zero point 0. So we are given the x distribution. And then we are asked to determine the E, the variance, and the sigma. So as solution, you just simply take the summation of the product of x and the px. So we have 0 times 0.2 plus 1 times 0.5 plus 2 times 0.2 plus 3 times 0.1. The answer is 1.2. And the E of x squared, 0 squared is 0. So we have 0 times 0.2 plus 1 squared is 1. So we have 1 times 0.5 plus 2 squared is 4. So we have 4 times 0.2 plus 3 squared is 9. So we have 9 times 0.1. Taking the sum of the product of these values, our E x squared is equal to 2.2. Our variance is equal to E x squared minus E squared, that's equal to 2.2 minus 1.44 is equal to 0.76. Our sigma then is the square root of that variance, which is equal now to approximately 0.872. So our final answer, E is equal to 1.20. Our variance is 0.76. Our sigma is 0.7872.